Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. So a lot of you guys asked for preppy face tutorial, so today I'm gonna show you how you can get preppy face on Zepeto like other users on Zepeto. So first of all, you have to click on avatar, and here you can see some options on the left side. So you don't have to do anything, you just have to click on the head option. There you can hairs, and if you have stems you can buy the hairs. So for now I don't have any stems, so I'm just gonna try it. And if you have stems you can buy hair from here. So I'm just gonna search for better hair. So yeah, and you can also see here you can buy without stems with coins, but most of them are with stems. And now when I pick the hair, I'm here by pleasure. I'm gonna choose this one and select the orange color. Yeah, and you can see at left, and here by eye you don't have to change the eye shape, you just have to change the color by color option. And here you can choose which eye color you want. So for now I'm just gonna choose the silver color, and yeah, I think it looks better for preppy account. And if you want preppy face you can choose blue or silver. So by eyebrows I'm gonna choose this one, it's a little bit lighter than other eyebrows. So here I'm just gonna change the skin color to a little bit darker to look better. And yeah, and here I'm just gonna change the hair color. You can choose this one or this one, whatever you like. They both looks preppy, and some of preppy account have this one and some of preppy account have the white color. So I'm just gonna pick this one. And now here you can choose your outfit, and if you have gems you can go and buy from creators. And yeah, so I'm just gonna choose this three with shoes. Yeah, and so now the most important part is the eyelash. Don't forget this one, it looks so great on preppy face. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take the natural. Yeah, this one looks better, so I'm just gonna select this one. So after this it's all complete, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye.